So now that we know we have a complaint, we need to investigate, let's figure out who is going to conduct that investigation. That will depend on the type of complaint, the complainant, and the alleged wrongdoer. Depending on your role and involvement in the complaint, you may be the best person to conduct the investigation. However, if you're involved, the alleged wrongdoer has supervisory authority over you, it may be best to select somebody else. For example, if the alleged wrongdoer is the CEO or COO of the company, it may be best to go to an outside investigator. However, if the alleged wrongdoer and complaint are both employees with no supervisory authority, the HR manager may be the best person to investigate the complaint. Some of the key characteristics you want to look for is someone who's independent, someone who's not connected to the allegation, who's unbiased and perceived to be unbiased, someone who's familiar with not only the law, but also company policy, someone who's trained and experienced on how to handle the complaints, and someone that both the complainant and the alleged wrongdoer are comfortable with. Sometimes you may need more than one investigator. And finally, when do you need to turn for outside help? There's no legal requirement to hire an outside investigator, but as we discussed, not all investigations can effectively be handled internally. If there is a lot of documents, a lot of witnesses, it's a sensitive issue, or you know it's going to turn into a large investigation, the potential for litigation is there, you may want to consider hiring an outside investigator, consultant, or attorney. If you're working with an outside counsel, you have an attorney, ask them to help you hire an outside investigator. Now, the best practice is if you've been served with a lawsuit or a governmental agency such as the California Rights Department or the EEOC has opened an investigation, you really need to get outside counsel involved.